Alright guys, Dennis here from Instant Web Tools. If you're looking for an extra income online, this is the best time to serve businesses, local businesses. So this product or this software is called All-in-One Social Dashboard. So what it does is allow every user to use all of their social media in one tab. So it actually put all of your accounts in one dashboard so that you don't have to open 50 different tabs on your browser. So on this, the potential about this of selling to the businesses is saving them time and saving them money instead of other people would manage their own social media. So this is simple to use. All they do in this process is just fill out their name. In this case, I would fill out my name and then my email. And then I go ahead and click the watch demo. And this demo, it would show them how to use the dashboard. So here's my friend Chris.
This is our widgetized dashboard. As you're seeing it now, it's fairly empty, but it's fairly easy to use. Once you have your dashboard set up.
So as your client, as your prospects register into the page, they would get a deal. So this deal here is only $39.99 a month. This is for you. You can sell this price. You can use another price. Like this is $60 a month. So you have about $20 every sales that you can do. And all you do is sell it. And what we do is to work in the back end of it. So once they sign up, they will receive the information. It would automatically send to their email address the user login. So for you, if you buy this now, you can test drive how this works, and you can actually sell it as an attraction to local businesses. Anyway, thank you so much for watching and sharing this video. I'm going to put a link in the description below so that you can just follow it. Thank you so much.